We're not talking about some far-off science fiction future here. We're talking about what's right around the corner. So in this explainer, we're going to break down 9 specific artificial intelligence trends that are set to completely redefine how we work, live, and operate by the year 2026.
So why that specific year? What's so special about 2026 that makes it the moment everything changes? Well, it's the projected turning point where AI stops being just a novel tool and becomes this fundamental, almost invisible layer of our world.
This quote really just captures the core idea perfectly. By 2026, AI isn't going to be some app you choose to use. It's going to be embedded in the very infrastructure of our economy, our companies, and our homes. So what does that actually look like? Let's kick things off with how it's transforming the world of business.
Okay, our first 3 trends are all about the enterprise. This is where AI is rewiring operations from the inside out, creating these truly autonomous systems right at the very core of how business gets done.
Just look at this. It's a seamless autonomous flow that highlights our first 3 trends. Trend number 1, AI agents will handle procurement, literally negotiating and buying directly from other AIs. Trend 2, they'll manage entire departmental workflows. And for trend 3, they'll be providing frontline customer service. It creates a completely automated loop from start to finish.
What this means is a fundamental operational shift. For decades, processes in purchasing, sales, and support have been slowed down by, well, human bottlenecks. By 2026, autonomous AI agents are going to remove those delays, creating a much faster, way more efficient, and constantly operating business environment.
And let's be really clear about this evolution. We are moving way beyond using AI as a simple tool for a few one-off tasks. We're entering an era of AI-managed systems, where intelligent agents coordinate complex workflows in critical areas like finance, logistics, and HR, all without constant human oversight. And from your perspective as a customer, this means no more waiting on hold. Finally, AI agents will handle the vast majority of your questions instantly, 24/7. Now, human experts will still be there, but they'll be saved for only the most complex and sensitive cases. Okay, so now let's see how this same intelligence is transforming our personal lives.
Because this intelligence isn't just staying at the office. It's becoming an ambient, ever-present part of our daily lives. And that brings us to our next set of really interesting trends.
Our 4th trend is the rise of the truly personal AI assistant. And I'm not just talking about a simple voice command device. Imagine a permanent companion that deeply understands your context, managing your schedule, your finances, even your health goals, proactively helping you navigate your day.
Then, for trend number 5, this intelligence actually takes physical form. We're seeing the arrival of sophisticated household robots that can handle cleaning, provide assistance, and support independent living. They're moving from a cool novelty to a genuine utility inside our homes.
And when you're on the move, our 6th trend is autonomous mobility becoming the standard. AI won't just be driving cars in many scenarios, it will also manage last-mile logistics. That's going to make the delivery of all your goods faster, cheaper, and way more predictable than ever before.
Underpinning all of this is our 7th trend, and it's maybe the most powerful one, the smart default. This is a crucial shift. It means that by 2026, intelligence isn't some added feature, it's just built in. It's the default setting. Our homes, cars, and cities will be inherently smart, constantly learning from data and acting on it. So, with all this massive change, what does it mean for your career? This question leads us to our final and honestly most critical trends for 2026.
So trend number 8 is that AI literacy becomes a non-negotiable professional skill. But being AI literate in 2026 isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about knowing how to collaborate with AI systems to amplify your own productivity and judgment, ensuring you can adapt in this rapidly evolving professional landscape.
And that really is the bottom line. The true professional risk in this new era isn't that an AI will replace you. The biggest risk is choosing to ignore this tectonic technological shift.
Which brings us to our final trend, which is really more of a strategic choice. The future we've been talking about isn't just happening to us. It forces a decision upon every single professional and every organization out there.
And that is trend number 9, the mindset shift from replacement to leverage. The narrative shouldn't be about fearing that you'll become obsolete. It has to be about seeking an advantage. Those who learn to work with these AI systems will gain a massive edge in speed, efficiency, and strategic insight.
So, as we've seen, AI is becoming deeply embedded in every single aspect of our lives. The question is no longer if you will interact with AI, but how. So let me ask you, in 2026, will you be the one leveraging this technology, or will you be left trying to catch up? The future is coming, and being ready for it, well, that's the choice we all have to make.